think we might be in the right one, folks. Yep, we are. Good. Now, I don't know if we're in the right car. That's the key. Are we in the right car? Probably not. Seriously. Well, there you go, folks. All right. Hype it up. Glitch hype. There. Try that one on for size, cheeky freaky. Okay, here it is, folks. If I make it through this hack unprofiled, 1,000 points to the channel. I am inside the car, M1. I am in the car. No way, Blast Man. Okay, after the hack, sure. I'll do it after the car. It tells me to hide in the car. So first I'll hide in the car, and then I'll get out. Oh, wait, that's a good angle. Screenshot. Everybody screenshot. And drop it on him. Yes! That's 1,000 wings to the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, now I'm going to hide in the car. Okay, now I'm hiding in the car. Another screenshot for you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, hell yeah, this is going on YouTube. Okay, now I'm gonna get, okay, you guys want me to get out of the car? Okay, who thinks I'm gonna, you know what? Who thinks that I'm going to, oh, I know, right. Who thinks I'm gonna bust through the window and climb up on top of the car? Or who thinks I'm gonna fall off?
Looks good. It looks good.
What do you guys think? Hop out through the roof and stand on top of the car, or fall off? M1 says fall off. Window bust for Blast Man. Fall out, J-Lass. Fall off, demonic explosions. Alright, here we go. I'm getting out of the car, folks. Let's get this angle here. Oh, and he falls to the ground. Oh, everybody who said, oh, and there goes the car. Yes, that was awesome. Wow. That, my friends, is how we do that. That would be the ultimate hiding spot ever. Rest in peace, Mother Trucker.